First, you will take a large pan and you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, we're gonna add the crushed garlic or grated garlic. Together, half teaspoon of chili flakes or crushed chilies. Now let that saute for half a minute. After half a minute, add your diced onion. Stir and cook the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Onion is looking translucent after 3 minutes. And now I'm gonna add my ground beef, which I'm using extra lean and lean half and half. Season with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. And now we're gonna mix and let the ground beef cook. And after 20 minutes, this is how the ground beef is looking. There's no water left from the ground beef itself. And also the ground beef has some pink color. And this is exactly what you are looking for. And then after that, you are going to use any kind of pasta sauce that you have on hand and add this to your ground beef and give it a good mix and keep the heat over medium high. And now you are going to add about 2 cups of water. And at this point, taste your salt. If you need more salt, you're gonna add more salt. It's been 10 minutes. Add some thyme and also some chopped parsley. Okay, and now give it a good mix. And our base, our gravy, our ground beef is ready. And now it's time to assemble. Before we start assembling, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So first we're gonna start with the sauce. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the sauce in the bottom of your baking dish. And I'm using no-bake lasagna. If you want to use uncooked lasagna, then you have to boil it according to the packaging. Then you are going to arrange the sheet. Next, you're covering the sheets with more sauce. Then sprinkle with mozzarella cheese and repeat. And now lasagna is ready to go bake. So let me put them to bake and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's done. Lasagna took 40 minutes to bake, and after the 40-minute mark, all I have done is turn the oven into broiler and then for 2 minutes, and that's it. Then remove your lasagna from the oven and let it set before you slice in a nice lasagna that is looking so gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoy this video with me. Please like, subscribe, and check the written ingredient on my website www.lailascuisine.com. The link is down below in the description box. I'm gonna leave you right now and go have dinner, and bye bye for now.